My son, man. Ang sanas ninjan. Yeah, no, I'm okay. I'm just busy. So, ngicela advice yenu about something. So my husband's birthday is next week, Monday the 27th. Lila, so not Lila, Lila. So I've booked a trip for the both of us. Ukuthi sihambe soshawa umoya nje 2 days for ibirthday yakhe. Initially I wanted to do like a surprise party for him, but I respect the fact that umuntu ongathandi izinto zama-party. And I was like, you know what? There's one person that is intimate, just me and him, then it's fine. So I ended up having to cancel planning the party because he doesn't like it. And then I was like, okay, let me just plan a trip. Then I booked and I was right. Okay, well, my husband, I blocked him on TikTok. So, Mazio, angsiz, ngapok, locals. So I'm buying him gifts now. I already bought him a gift to Zola. I'm gonna buy another gift today. And then the third gift that I wanted to buy for him was I wanted to upgrade his phone for him. I probably wanted to get him like an iPhone 15 or 16. But now, no, it's not. But umaskhuluma naye. I'm done with Apple. Uthi bone angazi iphi phone iZayomi. Kune-Xiaomi Pro 17 ezoreleaswa next year. Afuna ukuyithenga. That's the phone that I wanna own next, ne? And here's the thing about me. No, he specifically wants. I mean, I wanted to buy him an iPhone because he currently uses the XR, and he's had XR for 6 years now. I wanted to buy him like, yeah, uthi yena no phone iZayomi, and personally, angithanda ukuthenga izinto engayithandi, yabo. And part of me, I feel like mase kuthiwa mhlawumbe ngiyamthengela lo iPhone uzofila obviously angakwazi ukuphoqa let's say, but I don't want Apple. You're probably gonna take it, yabo. Or ngiyeke nje the third gift phone. Ngivele ngithengele mini phone because yena phela ka-iPhone. Ngithengela mina. Yeah, because I'm due for an upgrade. Yeah, also that's the thing. Like I'm fussy with my gift, but only kuyena. Because I'm like, baby, why would you get me something engayicela? I send you my wish list, and then you go ahead and buy me something engayifuna, and then I get mad. Yeah, I think because I wasn't gonna buy the phone cash, I was gonna buy the phone with credit. Then it's time to squelate. No shame. I saw iZayomi le corner. I went to Vodacom Izolo, and I saw la phone. To me, it looked so simple. I was like, no. And then I'm like, hey boys, baby, I think Vodacom go check what's the contract time. Ngenze ngathi nje bengenze izinto Vodacom. Ngathi mina and then I saw a lady ebi promote iZayomi le phone ethe ufuna uyithenga, and then we started chatting about it. But when he showed me le ayishoyo, ayifani naleyana, and ayakafika eSouth Africa like la ayishoyo. Because leyana ina screen la emuva. Ina screen la emuva you can watch. Yeah, actually it's going to be out in March. Yeah. Then a screen la emuva. I was like, oh, okay. Maybe I can just maybe the third gift will be No, but the outing and me taking him there, that's I might give you Uncle Love. No, I don't think I love the current one because it's not the one that he showed me. And there's one person on my mind ukulinda izinto. Like akayirashile ukuthi ngijahe uba nefoni manje. So part of me is thinking if because obviously I love to spend and buy food and go out must be. I mean, I think bringing two gift is not bad. Yeah, like now he doesn't mind waiting. But Shem, I really wanted to buy him an iPhone. Then if they bring him an iPhone, then I was not going to buy the iPhone for myself. I'm a daughter. I don't think next year. Because 2 years ago when I bought my phone, I was supposed to buy him a phone, and he's like, no, don't buy me a phone. It's all right, Helena. I'm not a content creator. I don't need a better camera and all of that. It doesn't even, if it doesn't even get to a stage like it's memory full. But I'm done with Apple. Kanjalo nje. Eve ngawazi Instagram because mangitheka ama-DM kuvela private stories and all of those things. Yo, I must get someone ozongifundisa Insta. I just want that. I don't want to ruin lokuzani birthday yakhe, guys. If umuntu atshela ufunani, get them that thing. Because I think it's rather you don't get them anything kunokuthi. No, it doesn't have a wish list. My husband doesn't. He hates my birthdays. I don't know why. I think because uthi bakhule bengasacelebrate my birthday. I think loo nto leyo shuthi wayifaka kakhulu ngaphakathi kuyena. Uvela athi no, birthday, it's a normal day. Ngibona ukuthi we Jesu. Yo, normal day. But at least yena noma ethatha as a normal day birthday yakhe uyayazisa ibirthday yomunye umuntu. Uthi nje it's just a normal day. There's nothing special about it. Ngibuke ukuthi job. Because right now I'm heading out. And then my birthday is just a normal day. And Lizzie doesn't care about birthdays. Go ahead and it's like, well. Birthday only. There's indaba abantu laba abanenzela ama-birthday yena abe muncu kanje that you get to a point where birthday awumind ukuthi you celebrate. Because Shem, I really wanted to gather his friends and probably go to a restaurant, reserve a table, and I'll be right. Watch. Yazi mina ngiyithanda into efakela namehlo. But part of me thinks I must just do like a small gathering with his friends because the birthday is on Monday. I know because mhlawumbe ingeke bit too much and costly. We can go to indawo njengo-Wiseman, uCarwash, Wiseman manje, because our trip is going to be in Durban. Because they have like, don't they have like braai on Mondays or a buffet on Monday? But I think the downside would be abantu bayasebenza, and I think it wouldn't make sense to do the celebration on Sunday. Ibirthday ingakalokuza. So now I'm thinking, what time? Yeah, zinhle, but isikhathi kube isikhathini. Look at how beautiful that bird is. Look at how beautiful that bird is. Can you guys see? Inhle. Ibirthday yamuntu wami. No, I blocked my husband on TikTok last year even. Yeah. And he knows it's blocked, so. Because I really love it, but now yazi lento eyalapha ka-Wiseman angazi ngizoyithini, because now doesn't it start ngo-2 to 8, ne? But now what happens when nina nifika late, mhlawumbe nifika ukudla sekuphelile? Do they cater for all of that, noma do you need to reserve a table? Zinhle cela ungichazela, because when you seem to know le ndawo. No, I blocked them because I don't think he needs to see my content, guys, no. Especially because sabantu besifazane and we have our own way of speaking, yabo. And if it's do it's better among ungayiboni. But he knows that the crazy things that I do and post is okay with them. But obviously, if now you also have people who cross the line, their comment isn't wrong, so I wouldn't want him to see all of that. No, he's not. No, he's not the crazy type. That you have an additional account. No, he's not the crazy type. No. And he's always not available. That's the thing. No, he's not the crazy type. I think no, 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 he's not the crazy type. And we are now. So do they allow people to eat from 2 to 8? Maybe if I can, 200, maybe if I can, invite maybe 10 of his friends. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, maybe 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So maybe I can pay for the food. No, try about obtaining mina. No, try. But majority of his friends don't drink. Yes. Like, I don't want them to pay for food. No, I don't want them to pay for food, but no, I'm already over budget with this now. And abangani bakhe bale eGoli bazofila kanjani sebebona celebration yenzeka eThekwini? And I'm not going to feel like No, we're going there on a Saturday. We're coming back on a Tuesday. Or going there on a Friday. Because I wanted to book my flight, but I understand. Yes, i-trip very boring. Man ngena imoto one. And Durban is not far, man. eThekwini la emva kwendlu for us. Just wake up at 3, get there at 9. I-traffic ingekho ekuseni. And then you have the whole day to yourself. Maybe we can do it there. Wiseman. And then do another prime masifika le endlini. Ne? No, it doesn't make sense that zethu umuntu asukele ibrayi guys eThekwini. No, it's not like it's not like umshado. It's just nje, yabo. It's umshado, it's just. But the nice thing is that uzobe ngathi khokha mina kanti khokha yena, so it's not bad. I shouldn't be complaining much. Because you're not khokhayo. Yeah, yes, and I'm thinking of that. We can and then the following weekend we do a braai here, and then the weekend we do it in Kaiser, and it's okay. Guys, life is meant to be celebrated, and I don't know ukuthi mele ngenze njani to always emphasize this again. But he loves having his friends around. But my husband hosts abangani bakhe more than me. Meaning uyakuthanda ukuba nabantu. Because he actually loves his friends. Guys, life is meant to be celebrated. And Leonto has nothing to do with the accomplishments or now. Guys, life is meant to be celebrated. Baningi abantu abafisa ukuphila who are dying ebhedlela abafisa ngathi uNkulunkulu can remove whatever disease or illness ekubona. And then you have someone like my husband ophila saka okutshela kahle ukuthi no. No. Because and that thing has nothing to do with imali. That thing has nothing to do with imali. It has a lot to do with reflecting back, ne? And also looking forward to a lot of things empilweni. Can I tell me thina siphilela ukubabaza nje kuphela? Phela kathi thina mhlampe ngelanga uyabasho yo about 10. Uma ngena ikhola esekhaya inhliziyo ishaye ngamandla because awazi ukuthi le call izothini. Awazi makufona ebusuku noma uthi uyakhona ubani usethuli. Ubani usenzeni. Siphila impilo kayo nje. Yo. And then the little chance that uNkulunkulu asawada ngayo ukuthi asicelebrate nje kancane. Asikwenzi thina kancane nje kancane. Especially for someone like him. He's always busy. He's always not available. He's always yabona. Ukhona engekho. Nokwanda kunjalo. Kunjalo vele kunjalo. But guys, akasaphili lapho. Like let go of things. Let go of things. Like yes, ukhuluhlupheka ne, but awusahlupheki. You cannot makuthiwa asamsenda ukuthi ayi guys mina ngakhula ngihlupheka. Awusahlupheki manje. You are scared to take bigger risk empilweni because you've never taken a risk. No. Udlulene entweni. Inzima lento yasemhlabeni. Ah, Seta, I'm so sorry. But yes, and Seta, maybe try not expect anything from anyone, ne? Akube ukuthi uma wenza something uyayihlelela wena. Like izinto zi-cheap ngoJanuary. Namanje uhambe futhi uyele kwilokhuzana uyele etripini wedwa. You can do so much wedwa. Uyijwayeze le mpilo mhlawumbe ongajwayele, just maybe take a book. Well, go to a museum, do activities wedwa. Phatha i-tripod ushoot, ungayenza yonke loo nto. Indaba ye-Airbnb, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, indaba ye-Airbnb. I hope now you guys understand ukuthi akusiyona yami i-Airbnb, ne? I won't go in too much indaba ye-Airbnb, but ikhona ama-Airbnb ama-blinds asefakiwe, and I feel like mhlawumbe mina ngasheshisa kakhulu. I think ipace yale Goli naseThekwini ngokwenza izinto ayifani. Thina la uma kukhona imali izinto ziyashesha. Ama-service provider, ama-contractors aseThekwini izinto they normally do kancane. Like for example nje, I was so mad ukuthi we had to wait for 2 weeks ukulinda ama-blinds, because ama-blinds are manufactured from scratch. Ama-blinds uyakala uyibone esitolo uhambe uyifaka, uhambe uyodrilla, guys, ama-blinds. That's it. So they took 2 weeks ukuthi bafithe ama-blinds, but now what we picked up is that ama-shutters yabo lawa white and brown lawa se-living room, they are not user friendly. They are not user friendly. I think ujantshi wakhona usuhamba ustakhe. Ama-guest will definitely complain ukuthi hayibo silala ama-window evuliwe noma ayikho into elokhuzayo, because ama-shutters abuya ngavaleki kahle, especially if you are not used to shutters. Mina ngangiqala ukwabona ama-shutters eduzane kwami kanje uma ngifika laphana ku-Airbnb, ngangingakazi nje ngikwazi ama-shutters. So uma ngifika khona kwamina ukwavula ayinkinga for me. And then the owner was like, you know what, I think we must just remove the shutters, because into ehlala abantu abahlukahlukene, short term leasing unit, idinga into e-convenient. And mhlawumbe ukuthi ufaka ama-curtain, ithi ufaka ama-wave curtains noma ufaka nola ama-hooks noma ufaka ama-eyelet, akulula ukwavala, kulula ukwavula. So that's why, because angithi also abantu are big on reviews, yabona. Awufuni ukuthi uqale ibhizinisi the next time uthola ama-review abhedayo ngenxa yokuthi izinto eyisethe nawe ukwazi ukuthi zenziwa kanjani. Because anyone can say, hayi thina sinendaba nalokho, uyashiya ama-shutters anjalo. But what if ikubhukha umuntu ongekho ku-TikTok oyibhukhela nje, mhlawumbe uthi lowo muntu mhlawumbe usuka le eGoli uyayibhukhela nje ufuna ukuhambisa iy'ngane zakhe olwandle. Ngiyabona iy'nkinga kanjani loo nto. But ukube kuya ngami ngabe manje niyabhukha, guys. It's been such a long time. Indlu i-ready. Nayo-ke inkinga la. And I know so many people wanted October shame go celebrate my birthdays. Bo. Yo, and I was like, guys, why nenza kancane kanjena? I am not, guys, I'm not sure. I'm not sure of my pricings. I'm not sure of my pricings. It's a Teguini, a Todi. And the yinhle. Yo yinhle. Yo yinhle. It's a Teguini Todi. Sad. Mas eu get bukhona. I am. Remember how I've been saying, I want a standalone house, no? What does this thing mean? Okay, so we started viewing our properties. Started viewing my properties nomuntu wami, and kube mnandi nje nani nani. Umntwana was like, oh, my husband said, lalela, sengikhathele manje ukulala wena, ne? Mafuna umuzi. Ngicela bandla, give yourself time and research, because there is no way we are buying another home after this. So just tell yourself ukuthi lo muzi ozokhetha manje siyogugela mina nawe kuwona. So noma kuthiwa khona into ongayithandi ngawo eventually uzogcina usuthanda. And then he's like, so go on private property and start checking ukuthi imuphi ufuna ukuview. So we did view a couple of houses in good neighborhood, and there was one which I was very interested in. So Masamada signing offer. The following day, like offer ne. I had a dream about the same house as Singenelwa. I've never had a dream. It's a standalone house. And I told my husband, I said, do you still want to go ahead? No, not now. But no, it doesn't mean anything. It's just because maybe ufaka khule khanda. Ufaka khule khanda lakho lomuzi, that's why. No, I'm not sure anymore. No, maybe in Durban as well, but Lai Centurion. It was a guys book. It was a sign. It was a sign, and I don't take these things light. Ngoba, I remember when we bought another home at Teguin. Before we signed the offer, I had a nice dream about the same house. Now, please don't come with Malubesangom and all of that. But I happened to go to Zinto, Ziyangi, Ziyavela kumina before. Zenzeke, zonke. I know, but okuhle, yes. Maybe something bad, ne? Because also, into bengibhora ngaloya muzi bengilithanda igceke. I love the neighborhood. Stand alone, over 1,000 squares of land. But now, I felt like, izonginikeza umsebenzi omningi to do. Amakamera lo amuzi mancane dlula lawa la endlini. And mina mangena kwikamera le stand alone ngifuna ikamera elivulekile ikamera where I'm like, "Wema, umbhedo wami shuthi la uzobe ugunquza wodwa kule ndawo engaka." So laphana it's a standalone house, but the rooms were a bit smaller and single garage. And my husband was like, really, are you sure? Then I was like, sizolenza ikamera lethu elikhulu and all of that. And then it's like, no, but it doesn't make sense to me that you'll pay so much on my transfers and still build elinye ikamera. Uthi umuza kube ukuthi ushintsha mhlawumbe ukuthi awuyithanda indwa ngaphakathi ziningi, not the structure, not especially umuza obizayo. Don't usazo renovate khokhela ama transfers uphinde futhi usubmit iplan kamasipala ushintshe structure. My husband was like, no, baby. But if you like it, it was like, baby, asilindeni mhlambe ukhona ozothola because I don't want to disclose the area right now, but it's a suburb next to Central Mall phezulu, not langa kulethe thina hlala ngakhona. I was like, no. Mase kumele sign off nali iphupho lathi. Lapho sengithole ngisho i-tenant ezorenta la. Shopha manje ngitshela u-tenant ukuthi hayi bheka kwenye indawo. Khathi manje akusalunganga lapha. It is a sign, guys. I feel like it is a sign, and I just need to detach myself. I need to detach myself nje kuyona nje ngithazini. Because here's the thing. I had planned ukuthi mina guys, I love hosting, but also if into uyithanda and you are good in it, try to make ayikwenzela imali futhi, yabo. So if you are familiar with ama-suburbs la amadala, you would know ukuthi amagceke akhona makhulu, like let's say nje amagceke makhulu amagceke akhona, izindlu zakhona ezinkulu. Normally abantu benza izoning where ba divide igceke and then enza ama studio apartment abantu be rent. So I was like, no, I wouldn't want to have a tenant full time in my space, but I was going to do like an Airbnb studio corner, but ibe negate la khona elihlukile nefence yakhona thina sibe negate elish, so nje ibe private, because I've realized ukuthi even with me, I don't love my Airbnb. I don't love them more. My Airbnb la asemaflatini, yebo, where mangena ningena endaweni eyodwa nasayina ini and all of that. No, now that I've been exposed to indawo eningi, I prefer your private Airbnbs, very private Airbnbs where uma nginomuntu wami ngedwa, ngisho mangiphuma la ngepaint ngizoba nomuntu wami ngedwa, ngibone omunye umuntu ezoke elunguza and all of that. So we was sharp. We could do all of that. Because nalento ukuthi indlu manje ayikhokhele yona indirect, yabo, especially indlu mayizobiza ayikhokhele yona indirect, kube ukuthi nina nje ama running cost, but ibond kube khona imali engenayo from business. So I was going to divide it, ngenze like a nice studio, even a private pool, maybe a jacuzzi, maybe an outdoor shower, a hammock, because ihlala laphana ziningi. Kube nje somewhere in paradise, but nje encane for 2 people nakhona, because angifunda wena abantu abaningi. The less people the better. Abantu mabe igroup banomsindo ba cause trouble, but mangabe na couple kuyi-couple ngeke uba ngumsindo nomuntu wakho, ngeke nomuntu wakho bangumsindo hamba nawe. So be cover yonke lonto. I was more attracted to igceke more than the actual house. But now also umuntu wami kept on saying, when uyazazi ukuthi ufase kanjani lento uzahamba mbidini. So are you really sure? Eventually said, yeah, I'm sure. Nalo ke iphupho selithi never. never that. Mega papa umuzo kugqekezwa kuona the same house ingane ahazi nothula izoyeke ephupheni besicabha sivaleki abafana libhamu like ayenze sense kusho ukuthi khona la engahambi kahle khona. But I think Wembali, I think laphana nje it's just a sign ukuthi not this house, because the area, guys, the area is good. It's one of, if you're familiar with Highfield or Echo Park, you know those areas are good in Centurion. So it's not in Highfield, it's not in Echo Park, because it's a residential area. And Nakona, you do ask the owner, did you have any incident? That's a no, la. There's no incident. Now, the security standard very good. Lapana every time, because la was Leana reviewer out too. At that time, when I saw reviewer, with the building guy, because my husband was not happy with the roof, and he was like, I am not signing you off a roofing a check kwango umuntu was work, because baby a roof ya biza. You can't take my chances in a roof. It's either there's something wrong, because I can't deal with it's something wrong. We just need to get in a professional advice ukuthi umuntu owakhayizile ukuthi yini le uma seyiziba mhlambe for 5 years ngoba nje kuye kunethe kangaka angeke izisinike inkinga and all of that. So I was like, but we put the condition on condition one of the offer is subjected to a building constructor coming to check the house and all of that. Nakho ke sengiphupha singenelwa into engakaze ngiyiphuphe. Yo, Michelle, I'm so sorry. Yo. Yeah, but guys, I need to, you don't need to ignore them. Because my husband kept on saying, yes, usanga sign off. Usaphakathi nayo. Usabhizi ke nje oma transfers kuvele qhamuka uma uzothanda ngempela kunalo. Uthi uzoyireverse kanjani lonto? Ngoba I think sengidinwa kakhulu lento okuhlala yabona lento okuhlala ndawonye lento manje yangidina lento la. Siyangifokama I love my house. Naye any email. Where is the venue for today's AGM? Kazi lento ama-levies uma bani ukushayela umthetho ukurenta owner sakurenta ungakwazi ukwenza anything oyithandayo endlini bari kwakho yabo nje mase ngithi mina lana mhlawumbe angifuni ukurentisa mhlawumbe ngifuna ukuthi ngiyenze short term leasing ngeke bevume ma bengathi nje no abelungu balana ke badlali bavele bethi abafuni ispace sabo sijwayezwe abantu abangahlali kusona. So nje indaba ama-holiday makers la ihlangana indaba yayo. Indaba ama-holiday makers nje abahlangana nayo. But part of me feels like we would eventually have to let this house go. Thenga nje omunye umuntu siphume nje kuyona. Inhlobo gugu, inhlobo. Inhlobo. Ungayifaka phi nje mhlawumbe imbuzi la. Yo. Kwankukhu ke, ayibo. Phela ungayibasela umlilo wakho cause nendawo yokubasa uyiphekele. Mhlawumbe bazokhala ngokuthi ungcolisa indonga intuthu. The smoke. Yeah. They are the pits, guys. Nanokuthi yazini nanokuthi yes ama-standalones are dangerous, but everyone will share i-experience yakhe. Kunezinye indawo nje engekho dangerous kodwa bama-standalone guys. But inkinga, not all areas when a posh are gated, yabona. Nakhona, if you are running away from having lento yama-levies, kuma-gated communities, you need to pay for ilokuzana, security, mhlawumbe kuthiwa like 500 or 800 for security. Mhlawumbe omunye umuntu ayifuni ukukhokhela yonke loo nto. Yabona mhlawumbe ucheck ukuthi like if the house has electric fence, une lokhuzana, electric fence, cameras, alarm system. Guys, enye into engizondayo ababuzo nama-burglar. Yo. Ay abafana basiphilisa buhlungu. Guys, I hate ama-burglars. Yo. Utshela ukuthi umuzi muhle, iwindi lihle, aluminium, nice sliding door, ne-gate ubhazabhaza omngakanani la. Ungeke ungawafaki. Ungeke ungawafaki ama-burglars. No, guys, I hate burglars. I'm sorry. I hate burglars. I just feel like they take away ubuhle bomuzi, because I have so many plans about the home that we want to buy. I want a lot of natural light endlini, meaning I want a lot of sliding doors, the kitchen, well, sliding door salo, where you walk in a kitchen and to walk in a room. But I'm okay, at least I'm trellis we are going folder. Yabona? Oh, yo. Even the invisible one, guys, I hate no, I hate yo. Kodwa maybe on the electric fence. Kodwa the nice thing engayibona laphan, ama-security, and it was 2 companies futhi. Burglars, shame. Bafakile ama-burglars. So now, man, just have your panic button. Makuthi kwento ngayiboni. Have ama-camera on. The nice thing, ilokhuzana, what did I want to say? But something is security. Cameras, burglars, panic button. Oh, they also have like a neighborhood watch, the community group, and Elon, WhatsApp. Oh, and another thing is there are no people about Wakayo. 2 of the most dangerous areas, Ilawa and ama shopping center. Eduzane nayo indawo. So mhlambe khona neduze kweni mhlambe kuno spa, yabo. Then kube khona amalokhuzana, kube khona abantu lana mhlawumbe basuke bezofuna imisebenzi, bephethe amabhotla mhlawumbe bayapenda. Lapha abekanto awokhayo nhlobo. Akuwokho lapha. Awuhlangani nje nomuntu ewalk. Lapha umuntu mahlangana uhlangana nomuntu ohamba ngemoto nakhona uyakwakhe. I think futhi enye into mhlawumbe ongazama ukusa ngayo, if you were to buy a standalone house, buy it opposite in a complex, so you can gain the security. Yeah, to umuzi mafuna umuzi safe, ubhenga ukuthi abantu abawokha estradini bangakanani. Because abantu kuthiwa ugebengu uqala lapha, umuntu, the more people walk, bathatha ama-chance ukuthi beqalaze endaweni ukuthi khonani lapha, sibona igarage nokuthi, sibona ukuthi nokuthi. And normally when people drive, they don't have time for that. Yeah, next to a complex or up at the complex, kuyasiza ngoba angithi ama-complex aba nama-security 24 hours. So igebengu cannot take chances, guys. because abafuni phela nabo kubanjwa. Yeah, and don't bite uzokuhlathi umuzi wakho masinbi ekugcineni. Ube nje sekhoneni nje wedwa nje ungaziwa wena ukuthi kwenzakalani ngawe. But also ne-alarm iyasiza. Ne-alarm guys, ama-alarm ayasiza. Ayasiza ngoba engathi nje esazama ukusibamba isicapha. Yeah, even the yeah. Even the retirement complex nayo ke hayi abadlali ke lapho. Abadlali. If you are used to Littleton, abantu abaningi, Littleton is too busy and too crowded. And abantu abaningi Littleton mathi bayisaba because of that. And there's a lot of informal settlements like Littleton manje, especially lapana la sithenga khona inyama le yesintu. Mawufika laphana nje abantu babuildile izinto zabo. So bakhala ngokuthi ke also be careful uma uthenga endaweni kanjalo. Indle yakho iveli yakhona by the station, yes. Iveli yomuzi ayinyuki. Ngisho ungawenza kangakanani umuzi wakho for the mere fact that there are informal settlements laphan khona. Bazolanda yona lempahla kufika manje. Bazolanda delivery guys abantu bakhohlakene by the station and basuka uyakubona basuka eSuper Sport Park. Uyabona mawuya towards ilokhuzana iMacro. Ubani uwest lomgaqo lwase Home Affairs le Centurion, yeah, I think it's West Avenue. There were so many informal settlers laphana, but ngathi umlungu onale ndawo wafika bazolokhuza bazobaxosha and then base bamuvele eLittleton. Ikhona futhi nalapha enye ngase Gautrain. Ikhona enye ngase Gautrain. Khona nje angazi what's the name of the company. Uma usuka Home Affairs uhambe ngobani, yeah, it's West Avenue and then Vanville Loyan. What's that company? I think, but it's an insurance company. It's a Grenane. Then there's a circle lapan. It's a new building food label lab. Not Outrent. Angithi Momentum iku West Avenue. Momentum iku West Avenue. When you just should engathi uyaphuma bani uGerard noma bani Gerald Loy. Yeah. But what's the name of the company? It's an insurance not Outrent. I used to work for Outrent. What's the, is it P Bani? No, Bani. Santam, yes. I think Office Park, Leanne. I think Office Park. Ebola by a bridge, le Gautrain before Lokozan. And a friend of mine, Uti Behala go von Village Loli de la Tuichin crossing. Behala in one of the homes, I must stand alone a lap, but back guest house, Basaba converted to Ama Lokozan, Ama studio. Also babengangeni abantu lapha every week kuyangena nje abecupha ngegate. Do you think no Elon work for me, no, I don't like work. I don't like work and kukaningi ne, but obviously this is my preference. I would, so here's what I did. My mother-in-law, bebehlala eNanda ne, and she's very old. And then we decided to buy umuzi lapha eThekwini la sifikela khona kaNdaba. So we had money and we had an option to build, but me and my husband were like, nah. Sikude number one, imaterial yamanje safana nekudala. Mawakha everything and right time society I busy malenkulu. We were like, let's pay a bond. Treat the house as a holiday home to us. Quickly bond every month. So that's what we did. Bond the house. Bond the house quickly kancane 20 years. Simple like that. Mhlawumbe kube sakha, mhlawumbe kube saqedile. Mhlawumbe ngabe umakhe sashiya phansi kanjalo. Oh, guys, izindlu nje ezinhle. Izindlu ezintsha for me mina ngiyayibonga guys. Angiyazi le material mina esebenziswa ema-hardware manje ukuthi bayithathaphi noma yenziwaphi. Angiyazi mina guys ngeke. Bayakhumula bona redid roof mina ekhaya. Abesters umusha ube manzi uvokomale. No. Ungekho, that means phela uhlala eThekwini and you cannot just umuzi akwazi ukubuilda manje. Umuzi can't build a house now. And for me, I feel like ukwakha kuyabiza. Yeah, ukwakha kuyabiza. Can also uyakhona. Here's another thing. Yabona imis uma ayibona kuzobulala umpethu wami. Uma uzothenga indlu and ufuna ukugena nawe ne as a buyer, awuhlale phansi yenza nje a thorough investigation. Like for example, check ukuthi umuzi, how long has the house been listed for? Ne? Normally umuntu medayisa umuzi usuke imali edinga manje. So sometimes umuzi uyakhona ukulistwa for a year, even 2 years. That's a long time. Uthola ukuthi umuntu they want to go overseas noma they want to downgrade, usuyabiza lo muzi ukuthi bewu maintain. I-agent le bafaka i-commission yabo, like agent fake commission yakhe ne-owner mhlawumbe ethi ngifuna imali engaka. Or mhlawumbe i-owner ithi mhlawumbe ufuna imali encane, mhlawumbe i-agent ithi I know it's not worth it. Lo muzi is worth imali engaka, then be-add. Lo muzi masuleso isikhathi eside when uyakhona ukunegotiate phansi. I mean not in 10,000. I mean from 100,000 to 200,000, even 250 mawuthanda. Wehle futhi. Mrs. Makai, I'm so sorry. Kanti izindlu endala yezo inqokonqoko. Izindlu endala azindawo ayicracky, ayigodluzeki, axegi lutho, yonke into isenzoba njalo. I-plumbing yakhona isa intact, yonke into i-right emzini emdala, ugesi awuhluphi, yonke into. I don't have information Fifi about it, yes. No, I've never been in that setup. I'm married to own. I've never. But it's a tricky man. Oh, plumbing is so open. Iyabiza nathi ngithi ephaketheni ibuyishayine uthole ubhuti mhlawumbe around nathi hayi mina lento ngingayenza ilula. Abete usulungisa into yodwa mina ekhaya ngishana amahloni ungazi ukuthi isedamini. Uma kuvulwa amanzi aphuma amanzi ngobhavu aphumele ngaphandle iy'ngane nje mayidlala zidlala ngasedamini guys. Zidlala ngasedamini nje iy'ngane. Because and I was like, no man, because vele I'm in plans to renovate again. Because I renovated the house like 5 years ago. I now need to redo it. I was like, it's fine. So I share kanjalo amanzi. Then then I'll just redo everything. Kodwa phela kakasabheda kakhulu back then. Umuntu mhlawumbe ethi hayi mina ngakufakela ubhavu lethi 1000. Uthi nje boy coat ya plumber usile fana kuthiwa 5000. Uvela ubona ukuthi hayi ngeke. Kanti back door always catch up with you. It will always catch up with you back door guys. And ufunda the hard way ukuthi into yenziwe umuntu oyaziyo. Not umuntu oyichantayo. Konke amathalzi angazi noma amanye like a simple thing like following a pattern kuma tiles, following a pattern. Because this is something that you know. Why can't you follow a pattern? Why mase ungene kamereni ulayini wama-tiles uqala kwenye indawo mase bengathi ungena mhlawumbe kumuzi womunye umuntu? Siyazama. Oh no. Siyazama. Ayibo siyazama. Amakhabethe atshekile. Konke kutshekile. Kodwa okubuhlungu guys imali le sasispendile guys masiyenza lento imali lena Nkosi yami. Guys imali lena ukuthi phela abaningi ekhaya. You can't just say you're gonna buy them a house. Ukuze guys kabiza ukwakhumuzi again or building a house or buying a home. So look at wena lokhona. Kodwa ngwane. Ungahleka wama semnyango ngathi benziwe ngane ka grade 3. Asekhaya. Ukuthi phela baba clean la kunakeke yabo nje into echaza nje manje. Ngichaza into yasekhaya. Nje and uma sengenza the extension ngifuna kumele or like this yangazi wenza nini project ekhaya ithe ngiyitshelile nje kumele mina ngibe sekhaya for low duration project because there's no way abanje umark number 1 wathi umuzi wawutshekisa Nkosi yami umuzi wasekhaya utshekile utshekile ubuza hawu ngoba lento nje kahanjiswa iplan kamasipala utshekiswe yini umuzi utshekiswe but na iplan like guys when I did things you know, the formal way submitted plan kamasipala yabuya approve wathi now you can go ahead and build hayi angazi la tshekile mina so now kunodonga kumele ngiqale ngilungise nje number 1 udonga ngibishaya udonga lonke ngibeke phansi mase ngiyalibuild lelo donga mase ngikhipha wonke ama-tiles ngithile indlu and then i-bathroom yonke iqalwe phansi kabusha yonke ufaka ama-blind the PVC ceiling ngiyayibonga bandla ngiyayibonga manje ngithikhiphe le PVC because i-dust iyasuka phansi iye laphana because angithi plastic PVC akufani nje ngebhodi leli awuhlali lokhuzana ayihlali lokhuzana ayihlali dust ebhodini angazi because at least ama-planga vele asekhona so it won't be expensive okwami nje ukuthi ngithenga amabhodi kuphela just buy ibhodi nje guys PVC udoti PVC udoti and that has nothing to do with it because my home is cleaned every day but nje ma uthi phezulu i-dust kangakanani mhlampe we sweet baby mama of boys mhlampe ngekwenzeke nini but thina ekhaya iyasabisa cause isaphi isithombe yasekhaya iyasabisa yasekhaya udusty yonke iyasuka ishone phezulu iyihlalela nje iyothi nca phezulu ya ukungcolaka into engithanda ngayo ukuthi mangabe kulikha ne ayilokhuzi ayibi manzi Phumzile, thank you. Phumzile Ntombi, same thing. Guys, ngazothi sihamba phezu kwayo. Imani guys, obana sebefaka iPVC for the longest time and ayingcoli. Mhlawumbe thina amanuku ngeke. Mhlawumbe thina amanuku. Lapho cause angithi yawa and then insurance yalokhuza ngakusubmit. And then I was like, I'm no longer putting a PVC, I'm now putting a body straight. Ibhodi leli elifakiwe kwi-lounge avele lihle li-clean limhlophe qwa. Hamba ekitchen. Hamba ekitchen. Ungazothi kanjwa phezu kwayo. Mhlawumbe asinaki sihamba phezu kwayo. Ne korop ayilimal guys mani korop ne korop kanjani niyayishanela noma nenza njani guys nenza njani mina guys yangidepress lento laphana yo qama ngiyangidepress Lindelo guys ba wathabi kanjani nenzani niyanyusa phezulu limop noma niyashanela because phela the height is like 2.5 or 3 meters normally ay guys ngeke cuz young depress Ngizayipostile khuzana ilink maseqediwe akaqeda I'm so sorry guys depress PVC ngeke lapho umuntu nalento ukuthi nje ihlukana ibonakala olayini hayi guys no guys no ngeke no give up as good charm guys azin mina ngibona ngathi le mhlabeni nje sabantu abamnyama guys sabelwe ngempela sishizile ayikho lento yethu hey noma ivele izoba ne design nje eningi ay yabo nje sina sasibanga even iconis yabo ngimtshela uma ngithi mina ma iconis less is more guys less is more ilona into timeless into plain does masonje for example nje ikhisha limhlophe there's never going to be a time where ikhisha limhlophe out of fashion or gray or neutral colors or any cream white or nje any neutral color kish there's never going to be a time la alisekho styling yes there's never going to be a time same thing mabe choose low PVC le waye ngishuthele nama design ngithi no plain white no hayi manje umfana lo hamba nayo efaka lo silingu yamhlohla ukuthi ngathi cala manje ungisize plain white okay they bought a plain white base bethenga iconis bathenga oqhakaza abanjani iconis cuz this is how ilona ceiling should be plain guys abazali nasebona into design ngiyobenze lutho abazali abantu design ngiyobenze lutho ngathi bathi yabona manje nathi singenile entweni lese lokho kunoqhakaza abaningi Yo, ngatshela umfana ngatalela sizoxabana mama into engacelanga. I want into plain white. Plain white. Hayi basa plain white. Ngathi mina ikhonisi also ngicela ikhonisi plain. Ngafika kufaka uqhakaza ngathi uma kuthi uthanda le. Ngathi ayikulungile. Ngathi ayikulungile. Siyazama khona. Ngeke ubenze lutho. Ngiyozobe nenkani njengomzali. Hayi guys nami nje bana yabona. Hayi yabona nje I was just discussing ukuthi besixoxa no my sister because Uwash is going back home. By the look of things, now I might go back to KZN because umsebenzi ngiphusha KZN ngesikhathi esiningi. So to because Uwash is very clean. Have a hotel, have a hotel. So as well now I feel easy ukuthi at least mase khona wona ekhaya the house will be well maintained and clean all the time. Usethi yena kanjani ngempela ukuthi abantu bengabi ne-access to indlu. Because I remember I told you guys ekhaya kufika abantu bezophuza and make babona nje igate livuliwe ubabona sebephakathi bese bezocheck umkhulu. Umuzi nje ongena privacy ekhaya. And lonto ngiyayizonda. Uma ngiyayizonda. I was like, the only solution la, because I cannot build a double story because it's expensive. My good thing if you slab a double story, that means I'll have to rebuild the house, and I don't have money to rebuild the house. It's on child into pattern. Ngathi kwazi nwa ilula lento. So fake blocks emnyango lwase kitchen. Just put it blocks ubhekele ngeke bengene lapha. Uma ngabe i-entry iyodwa endlini which is phambili. Maye yabo abantu endlela abahlukumezana ngayo. We're now planning to even have a gate. Singayivali kanjani? Close the business down or the building blocks. Just close the kitchen, just close the kitchen. Kungangena umuntu khona. Yeah, have one entrance because vele the family needs one entrance. So what I want to do, like kona kishi right now, convert that into a bedroom. And then we're gonna have the kitchen ngasem garden. No, we can't because ilokozan so the yazi guys yazi izinto eziningi uyifunda along the way. Now mawukhula uma se exposed about izinto nani yabona ukube mhlawumbe ithaveni ekhaya yakhiwe manje sengimdala izinto sengizazi ngizothi aqale yona phambili umuzi ube segcineni manje iphakathi nendawo there's buildings ngemuva kube ithaveni mase kube umuzi main house ngizothi ndiyenziwe ngaphambili because phela umuntu awuzombuza lapha meqhubeka ezangala ukuthi uzeke phi nanokuthi amalokhuzana guys amayadi emalokishini ave mancane emagcele nje kamasha wekho. That's why even ubone makukhona imicimbi siyenzela emalokhuzaneni emgaqweni siyenzela emgaqweni nje because akwenzeki next. Asiphila kabuhlungu bandla. Ahlale ma uthuphakelile ingane lana abantu sebesendlini. Yo guys, umuzi ongena privacy ngeke. Awusazi manje wenze njani, ungeke uzumxosha umuntu. Kucaca nje ukuthi I know Fifi, but yo ngathi hayi umuntu omdala. I know guys. Lindela, it's not easy. Especially because a family home, yabo, it's not easy. And yazi uku-investa kakhulu, especially kwi-business yabo elokishini, kunama disadvantages akhona. Disadvantages akhona. Because number one, for example, if when mhlawumbe establishment uzoyithatha uyenze mhlawumbe ibe right, you are now entering a new competition. Elokishini yabadlali bakubulala. Kanti mawuyithaveni bazivela nenza imali. Uyithaveni. Like mina, I'd obviously want to do something proper and yabo, something nice and go big. Uyabo lapho uyifaka phi? Ungena emzileni abanye abantu. Ngizothi zevufa wena. Straight. So ufela nje into ongayazi. So it's okay. It's also good to also keep my parents busy with something, guys. I wouldn't invest in auction. Trust me. Especially because Lebona, just one moment. I wouldn't invest in auction because I feel like, number one, you're putting yourself in danger. Yeah, you're putting yourself in danger. And kanti uma invest mhlawumbe endaweni nje sesababusini akho into uzofika lapha azoklasa azofuna mhlawumbe 10% uma amadela ngokubona. No, ayikho lonto lapha you do business nje in a formal way. Bayabulalana nje cabanga usufela ukuthi hayi and also intombazana hayi. No. Kanti right, I mean, to keep them busy with something kube khona into abayenza egcekeni yabo. Uba manje lo. It's not nice, guys. Pumzile, I wouldn't say now it's not nice just because saying Kulilis, because this is the same business as Kulisile as Fundis. Yeah, so you can't now unyeli hlahle. No, but think about ukube bingekho lento ngabe ube yini ngabe wenzeni. Yabo. So it's okay. My parents love it. It's okay, but now that I've seen better ways of making money, and I'm like, and one thing you'll never do, you'll never convince them. I'm sure my parents, they think that's the best business we can ever do. Lanto, guys, it's not the best. But not really. But Mrs. Makai, it's not really. Not really. I'm weighing it with no, it's not really. I'm not because remember uma ngabe une-tavern uney'ncwadi zokudayisa futhi lobo tshwala lobo, you are regulated by SAB, ne? Meaning you cannot do your own pricings. For example, nje, you buy stock from SAB Direct. Mhlampe icase, let me use an example ngecase la beer. Mhlampe icase la beer will thenga ngo-180, for example, ne? 180. Ubhiya manje lokushini think umalini 20 rand, 22 rand, 20 rand. 180. Mhlampe let's say amateso ngo-20 rand. Uthola 240. Now 240 minus 180, that's 60 rands, ne? Now it's not even, you don't even make 100% profit. So a profit in level 60 divided by 240 times 100, you make 25% profit. Or is it 25 rand? Okay, let's choose 25 rand. It's fine. 25 rand plus 12, that's like 300. But I'm sure it's in Abongo back. It's 25 rand. Okay, let me just get the right answer. Okay, let's just use 25 rand with 300. Okay, I don't know what happened. Shit. Let me see. But I don't think under 200, guys. Ne? I don't think under 200, guys. Why again? Look. I don't think under 200, guys. Because I really wanted to get the right numbers. And as a normal, do you have to apply for a different license? Ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuba emaklabhini ama-prize aphezulu kangaka, aphezulu ama-prize emaklabhini. Mhlawumbe yeah. Hello? 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 Ngicela ukukhuluma nomnqabi. Guys, why is this a wrong number? Okay, 215, ne? Okay, 215. Okay. 300 minus 215, that's 185. Okay. Oh no, man. No, my math is wrong. Oh, sorry. 300. Oh, days minus 215. Okay, 85 rand profit. Guess I'm going to lower, ne? 85 rand. Our guy Bali. Okay, I don't know how many. Oh, here's another thing. I-target market yabantu basethaveni, abantu abakhulile. Normally, you have people who are over 40, mhlampe over 35, abantu abadala omkhulu, mhlampe uma kuthi ugogo uyaphuza thizeni, mhlampe ugogo nakhona baphuzela endlini, because they don't go to ama-clubs and all of that. So uyabona ukuthi i-target market here, the type of business I see a business lentsha. Tavern parks yona entsha, but people prefer going to a car wash or clubs, la begcwala khona, bar, lounge and all of that. So you make 85 rands per case. If let's say SAPA doesn't deliver for you, you need to have your own transport to elandela unutshwala. Ma ungakhona ukubridge ugesi njengathi thina ugesi sobridge ekhaya siyakhokhela ugesi, you need to buy ugesi or ukhokhela ugesi, you need to uholela umuntu okusebenzelayo ukuthi mhlawumbe abulayishe utshwala aqoqe clean and all of that. So for me, I just feel like for the amount of inconvenience ekhona lapha ekhaya, anganoma ngithi makayidayise yini, but ngathi bayayithanda le setup yabo. Ngithi akayidayise ithaveni, yabo, ingabi khona adayise license, but I don't think she will ever agree. So kumina nje it's like, well, yeah. But uyabaza abazali, umzali ngekuzomphikisa ngento yakhe ayithandayo. So isimo nje sikanjalo ke. For the amount of work, bakeep busy. So it's fine because it keeps because it keeps them busy. Bahlezi bena something abazoyenza, then it's okay. But buka now we need to do alterations endlini ngenxa lokho. I'm even paying more on the house insurance because of the tavern. The building is a high risk because it's a bank. I can't say a. So that's why when I'm Bali, abantu abaningi abadayisa utshwala ne abadayisi bodwa utshwala, abadayisi khona utshwala, abadayisi bodwa utshwala, they mix a lot of things. Mhlawumbe somunye mhlawumbe basha khona amateku la ku establishment yakhe udayisa ukudla, yebo, uqashisa ngama-habli and all of that. Ziningi nje ngeke utshe umuntu omdala yonke lonto. Nanokuthi basile abantu ethaveni because ithaveni yangakubo bayakweleta kodwa mabefika kulezi indawo lezi abakweleti. Angisazi kwasona ke nje isingisi Ncisi. Xani nitsheleni ngandla ngithini. And I always say, why nibakweletela? Because abakweleti mabefika kulezi indawo lezi ngithi omakhalane bayaxhaphazana kwesinye isikhathi. Ngeke nje mhlawumbe for example afike ecar wash afike kweleta ubhiya kodwa la kuwena uzokweleta. Hayi. No guys, no. Yena into eyisabantu le nto ukweleta isitshwala. Le nto eyisabantu abasama business. Guys, into mangabi into mayithenga uyathengwa. Into le mayithenga uyathengwa. Why mele? Because phela uyazi ukuthi uzolokhuza. Guys, akukho right ukweletisa guys. No. Yeah, biyadina mbalonto. The same thing I always say. Githi mina how? Are you trying to tell me bengaya bajwayela? Yes, ngeke zaye kwenye indawo. Yes, ngeke za baba fana uzokushaya ngenye lecture ke lapho. Uzokutshela ukuthi nje labantu kade sasiphila nabo ngeke phela buhlala utshwala efridge ebingathengwa. Uvela ubona ukuthi we mina ma uphila emhlabeni uphilisana nabanye abantu. Webona hayi nasemakhaya akulungi. No nje yazi into mina I've got so many business ideas but I wouldn't want to do them ekhaya because baningi yabo sizogcina sekuxatshana xabanisi. Guys, business doesn't work like that. So uya kanjani uyo order imali zakho zikubantu? Akusikhona ukusomunye umuntu lokho. Business is business, guys. Business is business. Uya kanjani ukothenga esitolo ungayiphethe imali? Right. And by the way, Shoprite amakhampani amangakanani? Thina sitokha ngemali engekho engafikile nawo 100,000 imali eyibhedelayo. How much monarch? Yeah, abuhlale kumele buhlale. Iyawisana guys leya nto. Yazi ukulona to reventure guys to reventure requires a lot of money. Uma kuthiwa nje number 1 usethe ibush, that means you need to buy a fridge suitable for ibush. Imalini leyo nto? Kuningi hayibo guys ngeke ibush akusento encane. Nanokuthi buka indawo okuyona ne buka indawo ekuyona because yonke amabhizinisi kanjalo engathi ungawenza yabo nje imigaqo nje ngabo lemigaqo onozaza uyazi lento iku-main road kudlula amabhasi kudlula ama-taxi so thina siphakathi so I think reventuring reventuring no mhlawumbe uma sebekhulile omabhebeza nobanele they would want to namele ngibe ngihexe kancane yabo ey'ntweni zabantu mhlawumbe omabhebeza they will have better ideas than me ethi hayi anti no le idea yakhe yabheda ingcono le yethu nami nginake ngakuzelayo la how do you make it work to be hands-on at home even though I think it's simple because my husband also takes care of his mom, so I think it will be unfair if Ati don't take care of your family because both our parents are needy of assistance. So I think into kanjalo mhlawumbe kube yena akamsiza ngalothi umakhe mhlawumbe ngabe uhleze complain yabo mhlawumbe kube nami angisize ekhaya mhlawumbe wena uhleze ngicomplain. I think it's good this way ukuthi sonke siyasiza emakhaya. Yebo lento le because khona kunzima but guys phela ekhaya isekhaya kusekhaya la Oh. Ish. Yeah, guys, ngizoyiplan i-event ma ngizoyiplan eThekwini. Sizoyiplana ma vele sengizomuvela nakhona vele. Angani vele. I'm trying to send something la ndiyangihlula. Why? I'm not. But how can you say that? Thekwini. Hayi guys, ngisanokuganga. NgiseThekwini phela sikhuluma ngakhona. I'm joking. Siyabonakala ma-epapa sengihamba ngiyanithanda kakhulu sizokhulumana. Usufuna ukuhlale ukhala ngevoice engekho. Ngayithenga le gola ufuna ukudayisela yami guys ama-ayisi akayenza imali ekhaya yo guys lapha eThekwini Jesu. Kodwa phela akekho umuntu ongidayisela kahle but uthe angawudayisi because I wanted to sell it. No, don't sell it. I'll run that thing for you. Don't stress. Because akekho umuntu owamenenjayo ukuthi okay ngidila nama-order. Yo guys, so imali engaka. But my sister said leave everything to me. Ngizokudayisela mina ama-ayisi ngiwapheke ngiwa-order. Because mina into engiyifuna because I was struggling to get umuntu engizomsupply njalo. I wanted ukusupply abantu abasuke benemicimbi kodwa guys abantu abanemicimbi vele bawothenga emagaraji bengishiye mina. Sekumele ngize ngikhalela ukuthi aningisupport. Phela ngizongithanda bangase kahle inyembezi. Kumele ngikhaleke. Khona ngizobona ukuthi support ngiyayicela ma Qala ngithanda mina guys ngiyicelela abantu abanemicimbi ngibalethela ama-ayisi ngemali ephansi badilivele. Oh, hayi shame. Abantu abanemicimbi bavele beyibaxeke beye emagaraji. Ngihlale mina ngincike imini mina. 3, 6, 8. 3, 5, 8, 6. Awu naze nayenza izandla sendihloko. 13. I know. Yeah, that's a plan, but I'm thinking of buying mine. Ukuze kuzoba lula vele ahambe ndawonye yabo. That's what I'm thinking mina currently. Ngicabanga ukwenza kanjalo. Yeah, so ngithona ikhona ikampani engiyitholile Pantown yenza ama-mobile fridge engifuna ukusebenzisana nayo. Guys, ey'nhlelo enginazo hayi ngazuthi abe nginemali. Hi mama, kunjani? How are you feeling, Faith? Manje masuwa aseThekwini into zami bengihamba kahle. I need to go. Thank you. Bye. See you later.